Omunyano omrefi.
But lawyer, when him say possible say Appiah Kubi Andy might have the same understanding of the law. Said you watch it.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right on Ghana and 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Lawyer and the Appiah Kubi. Lawyer and the Appiah Kubi. Oh yeah, Chairman WONTUMI lawyer. Is a stalwart of the New Patriotic Party, a former member of parliament, and well-respected person. I remember, say, when this man came to say Ken Uforiata, who was then the finance minister, must go. A lot of people, including some of us, many of us youth, actually eulogized him, commended his confidence, because it will take a very, very confident person, right, to come out such openly when your own government is in power to say one particular person in the government must go, right? So he actually was hailed for that very action he took. But looking at recent trends now, as a South Papa now, he is up to something against the New Patriotic Party. He's beginning to act like the enemy within. And why do I say so? Simple. I can say, if not because of the kind of politics our lawyer don't play with the whole WONTUMI arrest, maybe by now chairman will be out of Yoko custody. This lawyer, the first person about Bonti Beka say, Brand Champion person contested to become flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. And see, when the whole issue about sureties came up, we saw Kenny Japan go there, we saw the former vice president go there. In fact, the very day former vice president inquired Friday, we were told that the vice president has secured the sureties to get Chairman WONTUMI out. But this lawyer, AyÄka and the Appiah Kubi, for reasons best known to him, did whatever they did. Came out later on to come and say, if you are going to a place, you don't throw stones and all of that, to make it look as though whatever the party was doing, as the vice president was doing, it was not, he was not being consulted or anything. It was like, why are you speaking this way? Just for later on, that same Friday night, to come and say, Brand Champon has met the conditions and yes. Already you have said, Brand Champon, you are the person who said the Brand Champon is coming to contest, he has your this thing. So all the while, the delay was about waiting for Brand Champon to bring his document so that it will be written that no Brand Champon or Meti or no Boa Chairman WONTUMI say on pay free, like out of the custody of Yoko.
But the bail condition, Yoko would have to agree and accept. Say, okay, when meet your journey pan say uncle. If Yoko said there is an application, I don't want to make any other move. Appiah Kubi, what can he do?
Because Yoko cannot say that, because that will be illegal. That is not the law. And you should point to them and say that's not the law. The law is to file variation. It cannot say variation now. Why you know? And you know who continue on your juma, because there was no bar, so they can't do their work. Variation application, again, injunction application.
Yes.
What do I say?
Yes.
Again, injunction application. Say, yeah, munya juma. That be. I just said, yeah, the court say court we. The power show. She carried to chairman, so no, I don't know. It's a power show intervening. That is my eye. Not let me activity conditions in the NPP. I said, I'm not to say, to be activity conditions in my eye. Why don't we try and just go? Why don't we try and just go? There's something on the part of you should have interrogated the matter further. So, did you meet the condition?
Mm-hmm.
If you did, what were the conditions set? 50 million. Too short to be justified.
Yes.
If you met it, why did you just go ahead to sign it, since you have met it already? at 8 p.m. no, were the documents verified by Lands Commission? And who are Lands Commission working at 8 p.m.?
Mm-hmm.
Let's ask questions. Now, the Appiah Kubi, you just don't throw it in the air, say, Obi Akofali variation, the process has been frustrated. And so, therefore, I don't know, Astoli, executive bond, no. That is very disingenuous.
The impression was created, say, from the UK, but for the variation application, no, Anka Friday, no, mbetimi
which representation to me, is very unfair. Because Obi, listen to the fact of the media way. Say Friday then you made 8 p.m. no. When Lands Commission working at 8 p.m. to have verified the documentation, to have gone around all the properties to verify them as to where they are and to value them to say wait, it mean a threshold of 50 million. Eh? How do you throw this in the air to call the succession of people who are genuinely helping? How do you do this? It's not right. It's not right. It's not fair.
Yeah.
It's not fair. And somebody has spoken to you and discussed the matter with you prior to filing and told you, say, we are going to file because the woman is there. Saying, and I know don't say final. We say, I didn't know where no meaning.
After sa interview now, make the representations I will say here unfair. No, we are saying what meaning in Komobio.
I'm blocking number. I'm blocking number.
What block and the Appiah Kubi number?
My blocking number.
And
I say, Obi, Sebe. If I can't have meeting with you in confidence,
yeah.
Let's say, what yes I do want here. I will not talk to you again. So I'll block his number. I'll block his number. Now there's another interview, and I sent to you. So it's done on Joy News.
Yes.
You will realize he himself said that he has filed a validation application.
In the interview, okay, that's the probe interview and run.
No. There's another interview that he did on the Friday.
Oh, he did on the Friday. Oh, okay.
Around 3:40.
Okay.
On Joy News.
Ah.
Who the my friend is Dominic.
Yeah, we forward the mama.
Who the bo? No, it's for Yancy. Bobby, we don't be a bo. Oh, some of the you want to credit the Gakra. You want to credit the Gakra. You don't do that. And 2 people another bus. You don't do that. The bumper as a chairman will be pine. When be also on pine. That's a father because when you know Oba now over boy the power. That's again in terms of say we don't quite what any year. A be and buying home patrol. Many are no quite an ye. We are chairman day and then church now. You who you bit na ye. Simple. But they say will be a file variation application, and so that it has been frustrated, and so therefore we couldn't continue with the process until it is withdrawn. That be set. So my question is, 8 p.m. No, they didn't go to Lands Commission for them.
So no wonder it has gotten to the extent where the whole director of legal affairs of the party NPP will block you because he has consulted you in doing certain things. You come out in the media to come and speak as though you were not consulted. And these are the things that, as a party, you have to. The earlier we check these things, the better for us, because basically, in same as Uncle Sudi, I say we are not ready. Our party not ready to come back into power anytime soon. You're saying Court TV3. So Papa we are also they be Court TV3. Ade. This has been a political right with me, the voice right on Ghana MTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.